subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Moto G Power 2022 back in November 2021, the company is now reported to launch the successor of it as Moto G Power 2023. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hammerstoffer in partner with MySmartPrice. According to leaks and rumors, the Moto G Power 2023 will support a flat 6.5-inch display with a hole punch cutout at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a triple camera setup and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button, which is equipped by fingerprint sensor, is located on the right edge, while at the bottom we see a speaker grill, microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is said to measure at 163.1 by 74.8 by 8.4mm. And apart from this, there is no other details of Moto G Power 2023 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Moto G Power 2023 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.